DIRTBIKES, Morgan coming to you with another Thursday night ride in the rain. We got Foxy Bibs and Sheetsy Poo. Quasar's over there. We got some folks from New Jersey. What's happening?
Oh, Jersey's in the house.
Jersey is in the house, and we're gonna go ride. It's raining on the Plateau. This should be super interesting. Riding the 125 with a mostly worn out Kenda Gauntlet. Let's do this. Got Eileen, the 125. Still got some race gas in her. And got the super high compression head in it. I gotta wash my goggles off because I screwed up and let them hang upside down in the rain. That should be good. Let's see if we can see. Oh yeah, well enough. All right, this should be fun. It's gonna be a test of equipment and talent tonight. Don't know how the audio and everything's gonna work out on the video with the water, so I hope it's good. Hope you guys have fun. I know we are. I absolutely love riding in the rain. Just makes you feel like a little kid. Oh my God! Oh my God! The puddles are huge! Yeah, I do not know how this video is going to turn out. Yeah! Oh, I love this. Oh, it makes you just feel like a little kid. Just like goofing off. I love it so much. Won't be any dust this evening. Guys, I'm also wearing my Adventure Spec Atacama race shell, which should be perfect for tonight. Sheetsy Poo! transmission, especially on a one-new single. The bibs. Yeah. I can't see anything. It's like you're just, it's just constant ridiculousness in my face. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so much fun. God, that's fun. I'm just like laughing behind you. Just so much. I'm having so much fun. It's like giggling as like every puddle. I'm like, yeah! It's like stoked, you know, like so happy to be hitting puddles.
On that switchback?
Yeah, I got close to you, then I backed off and fell down.
I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, it's so good. I love it when it's like this.
Oh, I can't see anything.
I feel like a little kid playing in the mud. Sheetsy Poo's freezing! I love trying to catch a friend, because especially one who's fast, because it's like hunting. I'm looking for him. See if I can see any evidence of him coming through. You know, recently, like, water still moving in a puddle. Dust, if it's dusty, but that's not going to be a thing. Oh, there he is. You jump it? Yeah, I figured. I was like, I saw the easy way. I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, there's no way you can see.
Let's try it with.
I'm like, dude, yeah. Everybody who's watching, the Bibs was riding with no glasses and no goggles right then.
Now what I can't see is in focus.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh my god, that is so good. Bibs is roosting me with mud. Guys, this is so much fun. I feel like a little kid out and playing in the mud when my mom told me not to. Guys, here's the deal. If Foxy Bibs makes a big enough mistake, I'm going to try to pass him, but I don't know if that's going to happen. That was awesome. Yeah. There you go, guys. There's the Gauntlet in the rain. Super awesome. With obviously the best front tire ever. Wouldn't you agree, Foxy Bibs?
Yeah, there we go. Love it. I'm in first gear. Oh, Bibs took that route. Let's see if that was a better decision. The way he went is a lot shorter. Yeah! I didn't know. I was like, I'm not going to follow him just in case. I went straight up.
Yeah, it's just loose.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to finish up the night on the other part of Aspen we didn't do earlier. See if I can't make
clean, do some singing. There's a lot of fast, sandy stuff coming up. That was awesome. I don't know if you can see anything. Oh my gosh. That is so much fun, guys. I love it, I love it, I love dirt bikes so much. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that was about as much fun as you can have.